don't forget your chores. Daniel was a forgetful boy. He started things, but he always forgot to finish them. One Saturday afternoon, Daniel's mother was going out. Before she left, she said, "Now, Daniel, don't forget to do your chores. Here's a list of things you have to do." Okay, Daniel was a forgetful boy. Always forget all. Olvida las cosas. He started things, but he always forgot to finish them. Start, empieza. He started things, but forgot finish them. Olvida terminarlas. One Saturday afternoon, Daniel's mother, she's Daniel's mother, going out the house, but before she left, she said, "Now, Daniel, don't forget to do your chores." Okay? Here's a list, look the list of things you have to do. "Oh, I don't need a list, Mom," Daniel said. I usually, what do I usually do, Mom? Well, usually you dry the dishes, but today you are washing them. And usually you sweep the floor, but today you are vacuuming the carpet. And you have to clean your room too. It's a mess. Daniel thought to himself, "I hope I remember everything. At least I don't have to take out the trash." Okay, this is the list that activity or the activity that Daniels need to do. Okay, to do: vacuum the carpet, clean your room, do the dishes. This is the list that the mother gave Daniel. And Daniel said, "I don't need a list, Mom. I usually, what do I usually do, Mom?" Okay? He forget the things. "Well, usually you dry the dishes, but today you are washing them." Okay? Usualmente él seca los platos, pero hoy los tiene que lavar. "I usually sweep the floor, but today you are vacuuming the carpet. And you have to clean your room too. It's a mess." Okay? And Daniel thought, él piensa para sí mismo, I hope I remember everything. At least I don't have to take out the trash. Daniel start with the very dirty dishes. Look, the dishes. Start with that, the dishes. He put soap in the sink and turned on the water. Then he noticed something in the living room. This is the living room, and he listened something. His dog, Comet, had spilled her dog food all over the carpet. Look, the dog food over the carpet. Comet is the name of the dog. Comet, you are beginning a bad dog, Daniel said. I have the vacuum now. Look, the vacuum now. Daniel got the vacuum clean. He vacuumed under the chair. Look, under the chair. And noticed one of his socks. Hey, I lost this last week. I will take it to my room. Daniel ran to his room and put the sock away. Okay? Daniel first started to wash the dishes, but he listened something in the living room. The dog, Comet, look, push away of the foot dog. And he said, oh, you are bad dog. And I need to vacuum now. Yes, look at that. And he started to vacuum, but he found his sock, and said, oh, I remember the sock. I lost my sock the last week. And go to his room. ¿Ok? Daniel empieza a limpiando los platos, ¿sí? Y le coloca el jabón y bueno. Pero escucha algo en la sala y es su perrito que se llama Cometa. Entonces Cometa regó toda la comida de perros, mira, regó la comidita del perrito. Y entonces él, tú eres un mal perro, ahora me toca aspirar. Pero cuando empieza a aspirar, mira, encuentra the sock. Y dice, yo olvidé esto la semana pasada. Y corre hacia su cuarto a dejarla allá, ¿ok?